The next two keyboard shortcuts aren't necessarily in Chrome, but a lot of them work basically everywhere. Um, I'll show you the examples here in just a moment. First off, if you've ever noticed that you just didn't, the content you're displaying on your screen, especially in a Google Meet these days, isn't quite the size that's readable enough for everybody to see faces on the right and the shared window, towards the center or on the left. And one of the things you can do is use the zoom features. And I know you probably know how to zoom outside of this, but I want you to try Control minus, Control plus, and Control 0. They're the fastest ways to get you zoomed. You're going to notice it works well in certain websites and products and not so well in others. But just to start with, sometimes you might have left off at a different zoom, and you can always hit Control 0 to bring it back to 100%. I want no zooming in, no zooming out. Bring me back to normal. But if you want to make something smaller to fit more information on a page, you can use Control minus until it's completely unreadable. If you want to bring it back to normal, you can hit Control plus. And then once you're back at 100%, if you want to make it just a little bit more readable, you can hit Control plus until you get to a size that works for you and your presentation or whatever's going on. Also, you just find those products every once in a while where it's just a little bit too small. Control minus, Control plus, and Control 0. But just a heads up, it doesn't work in certain products how you think it would. Google Docs and Google Slides, it just never quite. This is me zooming in, and the thing I care about is getting smaller, right? So it's not always a perfect solution. The next one is using Control K. This is something available in all of the Google Drive type files. So Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Sites, it goes on from there. Control K is a tip that I asked a Google employee friend of mine if there was one keyboard command I could share with everyone at BVSD, what is it? And they told me Control K. I keep thinking back to that Business Insider link I have from earlier and realized I was having to copy and paste it to get it to work. So here's how Control K works. You highlight some text and you hit Control K. Google will try and auto detect if it's a link already, a link to a website already, and it'll just turn it into a link. And you'll notice that with the Control K, I can click on it and go to Business Insider. The other way to do it, though, is to say Business Insider article best Google search tips and have the URL copied, and then you highlight your more human readable link title. You hit that Control K and you paste in that link you have, and now you've got that nice looking human readable thing that goes to a URL that nobody cares what the actual URL is, right? We'll see you at the next video.